guys, welcome back to my channel. I am My Shadow Beats and your Pallavi. So today I am back with another vlog, and this video is all about a day trip that I am taking to one of the beaches here in England. Since I have moved to London, I have not been able to really enjoy the English summer here, and luckily the weather for the next 3-4 days is going to be really good. It's bright and sunny, and I am thinking, why not go and hit a beach? What's it? I know what you are thinking. Going to a beach on a day trip sounds a little unfair, right? But trust me, here I will show you how you can have a super amazing day trip on a beach without hurting your pocket and spending less time on planning. Great trip under £50, including meals and tickets. So hop on with me and watch this video till end. Now before we move ahead, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and also click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any new videos coming from me. Okay, so coming back to the planning phase of the trip, what comes to your mind when you are thinking or planning of a trip? If you ask me, the most common questions are where to go, how to go, how much will it cost, and how do I plan my day? I mean, these are the 4-5 common questions which we think a lot before planning a trip, right? Don't worry, I will help you out with all these questions and many more going in your head right now. And if I miss anything, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with your questions and I will respond back. First thing that I did was to look up for few websites to see and explore places which are around central London. Since I'm planning for a day trip, I do not want to spend a lot of time traveling, and that's the reason I'm looking for a really nice place that's about an hour journey both the sides. So yeah, this definitely narrows down my search, and I'm also looking out for reviews for all the places which I have shortlisted. So finally I have found a place for me. Yay! So I'll be headed to Southend-on-Sea Beach. That is approximately 60 minutes away from central London by train, and I prefer train in London. You can also hire a cab, or you can just you can just take a self-drive car, or you can also go by bus. But what I am preferring right now is train because I find it very convenient. So now I am going to book my train ticket. So there are many apps where you can book your tickets, but I would recommend Trainline. One of my friends has also suggested Trainline. You can easily book a ticket from the app, and also if you want to buy offline, you can buy from the station. It will cost around £15 per person return ticket, but you can get a discount if you use any of the rail cards. The rail card discounts are really good option to opt for, because you can get up to 1/3 discount price on your tickets. Isn't that amazing? I'll add a link for the rail card in the description box. Please check it out. And one good thing about this train is that you can select a departure time, and if you miss that time by any chance, you can take a next train which is available without paying any extra money from your pocket, and you can travel on the same ticket. Isn't that cool? But this works until your ticket is valid for any train on the same route and fare class. So I am almost done with my ticket bookings. I'll catch the train at 11 AM from Fenchurch station, which is near Bank, and it will take me about an hour to reach Southend-on-Sea Central Station. And just because I am a sucker for sunsets, I have chosen the departure time from Southend-on-Sea Beach at 7 PM. Let's see whether I'll be able to catch that train or not. Never mind. Even if I am not able to catch 7 PM train, I can take any train which is available next. That's the beauty of this train. And yeah, I'm really excited for this trip. Yay! Tomorrow is the day, Sunday, when I'm going for my day trip to Southend-on-Sea Beach. And let me quickly show you my packing for tomorrow. So this is what I'm going to take tomorrow along with me. This is a beach bag gifted by my friend Sonali. Thank you, Sona. A sheet so that I can lie down on the beach. Extra pair of clothing, you never know when you need them. Of course, the beach slippers and a hat, which is must for a bright sunny day. A water bottle, my Oyster card for tube travel, some extra money, some extra cash. Though everything is contactless, but for a safer side, I carry some cash along with me. A mask and a sanitizer is a must. So this is a body lotion, a sunscreen, some protein bar for snacking, and a shade is a must. So this is all what I'll be carrying tomorrow. Good morning. I have just come out of shower and अब बस ready होना है. फटाफट 10-15 minutes में ready होके I'll make my breakfast and then we'll head to beach. I am ready and this is my look for today. I'm getting super late. I'll miss my train if I'll cook something for me. So I'll just quickly grab an apple, coffee and leave. I'm going to Chancery Lane station. वहाँ से फिर 10 minutes का walk है. And then I have to go to Fenchurch station जहाँ से मुझे National Rail मिलेगी to South End Central station. So let's go. I hope I do not miss my train. Finally, I have reached to Bank station and from here I have to exit and walk for 10 minutes to reach Fenchurch Street, from where I'll get my National Rail to South End Beach. So this is not normal tube, this is a National Rail where we have to take that train to South End Beach. There we have this ticket machine.
Any station, buses, everything.
This machine, I'll click on collect, then I'll insert my card. Now I have to insert the pin. 5 X J 3 J 77. Here is my ticket. Here is my receipt. ये मेरे 2 टिकट्स हैं आने के और जाने के. सो माई ट्रेन इज़ एट 10:59 फ्रॉम प्लेटफॉर्म 4. आई हैव गॉट माई टिकट्स एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई ट्रेन. सो हियर इज़ दिस ट्रैवल इंफॉर्मेशन डेस्क. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है रिगार्डिंग और इफ़ यू नीड एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग ट्रेन्स, यू कैन कम हियर एंड आस्क दिस ऑफिसर विच इज सिटिंग हियर. नाउ वी हैव टू इंसर्ट द टिकट हियर. Gates are open and हम आ गए हैं platform. The train is already here. And you also have a route map inside the train where you can see all the stations and the entire route of that particular train. Now we have left the station. So there's a fine of 6,400 pounds if you do not wear mask in the train. So make sure you wear your mask. West Ham. ये है लंदन के खेत. This is how it looks like. कंट्री साइड बोलते हैं यहाँ पे इसको. ये लो खेत ही है और क्या है. And we are about to reach Southend on Sea Beach. Today is going to be a little crowded on the beach because it's Sunday as well. Such a bright sunny day. We have reached the station. I'm going to the washroom because I need to change. I am wearing denim pants and obviously if I am on the beach I would want to wear short clothes. You have to put the ticket here. Okay. I changed and did not show you guys what I am wearing now after that denim. So here I am wearing this cute little skirt. I have to walk for like 5 minutes and then we have this beach. I can see the beach from here. No. यार लंदन की स्ट्रीट्स बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल हैं. I mean the whole old architectures and everything, building, shops, And they have these flowers everywhere on the streets. Wow, look at these vegetables. They're so fresh. And also यहाँ rates बहुत कम है. So they have this mulberry box only for £1. And in M&S and Sainsbury, Tesco, wherever I go, I get it for like £2.20. So it's cheap and fresh also. And there at far I can see that that's the proper beach where people can go in the water. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here we have this adventure island kind of stuff. Oh my god, this is crazy. बहुत धूप है मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा, इसलिए I am wearing my hat and this is the hottest day since I have been in London. Let's have a beach walk and talk. People are in the water. I also want to go in the water. I do have extra pair of clothes and towel, but पता नहीं, not sure. यार बाल गीले हो जाएंगे, फिर वापस से सनस्क्रीन लगाओ, मेकअप है उतर जाएगा. No, I won't go. Maybe next time. This is all pebbles and stone. इंडिया के बीचेस जैसा नहीं है जहाँ रेत होती है. And this is the beach. I have always been a beach baby and London में भी मैंने beach ढूंढ लिया. And thank God it's summer. Though it is like 21 degrees, but it feels like it is 24. And it's very hot, trust me. You guys are wondering why I'm wearing shoes. I have my slippers. I'll just change them before I go in the water, just to soak up my feet, not for bath or all. This is very beautiful and सबसे अच्छी बात है, this is very clean. You all can see this long bridge here. It is for cargo loading on the ship. It also has a train line there, so you can take the train and go, and you can also walk. So maybe after having my lunch, I'll go there. See, this is the train I was talking about. You can also take this train or you can walk till the end. I'm going to have my lunch. This is London summers, guys. London summers. So this is the city. I guess, yes, city.
No.
Fish and chips. लंदन में कुछ मिले ना मिले, फिश एंड चिप्स, हॉट डॉग्स एंड बर्गर, ये तीन चीज़ें तो आपको मिलेंगी विद फ्राइज एंड कोक. So that's Premier Inn and these are hotels. I guess these are hotels. Yes, these are hotels. You can also come and stay here if you want to come on a weekend or for one day stay. And then you have this beach this side. Look at these flowers, they're so pretty. All I am doing right now is walking. I am going to a restaurant. So a nice place. I see Market Potter Billy's 100. This looks nice. We can go here. Let's go. I want to sit outside, and for that they have like 30 minutes of waiting time. So finally I have got a table, and look at my table. And the view. Lovely, na? Now I'm super hungry and let's order something to eat. This is my today's lunch. King prawns, garlic mushroom, calamari is what I'm eating today. So this is mussels. ये मैंने पहले कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है, तो अभी ट्राई करते हैं। Not bad. It's nice. This is how this is what it looks like after half an hour of eating. I have just finished my lunch and I'm so full. I'm super full. And that side is also beach, but I'm not going that side. Yeah, I'm like too tired and I'm not even able to walk. I just want to lie down on the beach. I'm walking back from where I started. So this is a nice idea. It looks like a pool. Actually, it's a pool they have built. Water was here when I came in the morning, and now it has gone really bad. And this is so scary. I told you guys it's low tide. पानी बहुत पीछे चला गया है. And I have to take pictures in water. Like 2-3 pictures तो बनता है. So now I am walking there at the edge of this whatever land or something. कि पानी मिल जाए मुझे. That is what a fashion blogger does for her pictures. This is what you get to see on Instagram. I'm finally here. ये है मेरे picture spot आज की. It's very sticky and it's slippery also, so I am not going beyond it. I'll try to manage. Let's see how the picture turns out. I'm done with my pictures and I don't know how it will come out, but how it comes out with this location. To see that, you have to follow me on Instagram. That is my shadow beats. So I'll see you there. I am finally up after my 1 hour of sleep. मैं 1 घंटे सोई हूँ proper and jacket पहन लिया है क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ी बहुत ठंड लग रही है. Look at the water. It has gone further away and अच्छा हुआ मैंने तभी फोटो ले ली, otherwise रह जाती. And also I am back in my jeans. This was my bed जहाँ मैंने 1 hour की proper sleep ली है. I tell you guys that was so satisfying. Also the bridge I showed you guys in the morning which is at the back. I am planning to go there. I'll go there. I'll walk and I want to complete the entire walk, but let's see how much I am able to complete. Because I also have my train at 7:30, so I have to catch my train as well. It's already 6:30 now. So let's see. I removed my jacket. बहुत अजीब लग रहा था, किसी ने पहना नहीं था. And see here. There we have this amusement center. अभी लाइट जली तो I can see it properly. So basically that bridge is South End Pier Bridge. That's for walk, and these are the prices. Walk के लिए अलग prices है, train के लिए they have this different price, walk and ride they have different price, and they also have this opening hour. I am not going to take the train. I will walk. Look at this amusement park. This is not bad. They have so many rides. Next time मैं try करूँगी. This is the ticket counter. This is the ticket. Finally, I am here on this bridge. But water has gone from both the sides. Look at the skyline, so pretty na? Sorry. Look at the boat and the sun. This looks so magical. It was a good decision to come here. See, the train is coming from that side. So that is basically the train ride. Yay! We finally saw the train as also. Now finally the sun has set. It's dawn, but yet it's super pretty, and I have not seen a beach like this before, where water goes so far from the shore. Obviously, finally I can see actually I can see the water. It's written South End Pier, the world's longest pleasure pier. Actually very long when I am walking on this pier. These are all clams and mussels, which I ate for my lunch. Guys, I have finally made it. I finally reached at the end of the pier, and it looks so beautiful. And obviously, अगर मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए होते तो I would not have made it to the end. Big fish here. Oh god, finally I am at the top of the pier. After walking 1.33 miles, it feels really great. I am glad I came here because the view is really pretty. It's very beautiful. So if you can see the lights, that is the shore from where I walked in here, and there somewhere I was lying. There if you can see the boats, I had my lunch. It's pretty far from where I had my lunch, but it's very beautiful. I feel that side is Amsterdam. Not sure, I have to go home and then check my map. And this is the pink sky, that's absolutely magical. I have come back from the pier and it's very cold. It's very cold. Look at the amusement park, how it looks at night. It is very pretty and still it's open. I think this is open till 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock because it's already 8:30 and still people are coming inside. Look at that ride at Adventure Island. This is so scary. I really want to try this, but I'm not sure whether I'll be able to try this. This is so scary. I mean, look at that. People are going up and then they're coming down. Oh my god. Super scary. Oh! I mean, this is crazy. Oh shit. So it's really pretty and it's really good for one day outing. आज का vlog यही खत्म करते हैं. This is it. If you guys liked my video, please give a thumbs up and also do let me know in the comment section where should I visit next in London or near London. And yeah, I had a really fun day and I hope this video made you smile. Do share this with your friends and family and do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet because this will mean a lot to me. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, that is my shadow. Till then, bye bye, see you in my next video.